Springboard Plus is helping me get the qualifications I need to land my dream job. I had the Masters in Finance. That led to a job in an accounts position, but not as a qualified accountant. I needed to upskill, and I stumbled across Springboard. They're sort of associated with PAT, and they're, I think, triple platinum certified, so they're one of the best teachers of the HCI material in Ireland. It's 90% funded by the government, so it was the obvious choice. Yeah, so the thing that I really liked about the course was that it was fully remote, which let me continue working full-time in my position, gaining experience while studying to become a qualified accountant. And that's going to open up so many doors for me. The application process was great, really straightforward, seamless. To anybody thinking about doing a Springboard course, I'd highly recommend it. It's a great way to enhance your employability and further your professional development. Springboard Plus gives you skills that work for your career.